Hi everyone, today I'm posting my 4-year-old video which is of a beautiful Agarbatti holder which looks like a beautiful lotus and it also gives the devotional look for your altar too. And I'm really sorry guys, I couldn't do any single video till 4 years. I was busy into other commitments, but here is the video now. I'm gonna show how I did this. And I made this using the homemade clay for which I used cornstarch as well as the glue. And trust me guys, it's been 4 years and it's still unbreakable. It's very strong. You can see here, this is how it looks now. It's a bit dusty now, but it's still as it is. You can also create different types of sculptures using this homemade clay using cornstarch as well as glue. You can create the thinnest sculptures too, just like flower petals, etc. So here I've taken my homemade clay and I've done some shape like this, and I'm gonna cut it like a petal shape. And another thing is you can press these petals and you can create the shape as thin as possible. And then I'm going to stick this to the sepal of the flower. And then I'm gonna repeat the process and I'll complete the whole flower. For each round of the petals, I've cut the petal shape into a bit bigger shape. And here my lotus flower is ready. And now I'm gonna make the leaf for this and then I'm gonna paint it once it dries. And similarly, I've created this leaf bit into thicker texture, and I'm gonna place this flower on this leaf using the Fevicol glue. And then I'm gonna create small details. And then I place these 3 agarbattis to get a tiny holes at the center. And keep this for drying for minimum 1 or 2 days. After drying it for 2 to 3 days, now my agarbatti holder is ready to paint. I'm gonna paint this now. So I'm applying white as a base paint. I'm using the acrylic paint. And after the base paint dries, you can apply your favorite color for this. And here the beautiful lotus agarbatti holder is ready.